name is Vijay Jagassar, born and grown in Moruga. I had worked cocoa estate from the age of 16 straight up to now. And my land is properly well cultivated with citrus, fig, and the amount of estate or land I have is 16 acres of cultivated cocoa land. My son Vijay Jagassar encouraged me to enter the cocoa award. Well, to be truthful, I'm so shocked and surprised that I did well in the cocoa competition. I am happy to know that my cocoa has made the top in the top 20 competition.
So what is next for the estate? How do you see the estate in the future, and who's going to be running and operating it?
Well, hopefully that Vijay will have to take over that port, because actually I'm going down in age. I'll be there to show him what I want to do so that the tree will remain in a nice stable condition that it will produce. We have sold cocoa to Sarah, which she took it to the United States of America, which they fermented and made good chocolate, tasty chocolate in fact. So I think we have a good flavor of cocoa down here in Moruga. In the next future, I so love doing cocoa work. I love it, and if you don't have love for something, you'll not be able to get it. That's all you need. So I will be able to continue harvesting cocoa, trying to my best to make the best quality of cocoa so that we can ship it to other foreign countries to make top of the line chocolate.